Okay, so we're going to drain the coolant in this 2002 Camaro. It's a pretty simple job. The reason I do the video is just because there's always somebody that's never done something like this before, and watching a video can really help. Okay, so we're under the car here now, and on the passenger side, this here is the drain for the radiator. Might need a pair of pliers to get it started. I'm not sure exactly where to put the drain pan because the way it's aimed, it looks like it's going to hit here, so I don't know if it runs out here, if it'll come across and drain over there, but I'll put my pan under here. Okay, so it is going to come right straight out. It's not coming out very fast right now because I left the radiator cap on. Okay, so we'll come back up top and take the cap off and it'll start draining now. Yeah, I figured it was going to go all over the place. Okay, so we let it drain here for about 20 minutes or so. You can't get all the coolant out, obviously. But anyway, we got what we could. So next, you just want to tighten this back up again. Okay, so here's what we use to refill it is Dexcool. I bought the premix. It's mix 50/50. And you just want to shake it up. And now you just want to refill it. It's pretty simple. And pour it in slow. I gotta try and not make a mess here. Okay, so we were only able to get about 2 liters in, so that means there's a lot of air still in there. Okay, so we'll start the car. Turn the heat all the way up. Okay guys, so we got her all done. It's throwing good heat there now, and the radiator's full. It was being a little stubborn. It had quite a bit of air trapped in there, but what I did, when I started it up, I let it run for probably, I don't know, 3 to 5 minutes. Then I put the cover on, let it run a little longer, and the temp gauge was getting up there, so I shut it off, and I let it set for probably 10 minutes. Then I removed the cap, and that allowed me to put a bunch more in. And so I started it up again, and that time it started throwing heat. So everything looks good there now. I don't know if these videos actually are of any value to anyone, but hopefully it'll help somebody out. Anyway, guys, thanks for watching, and we'll catch you in the next one.